Day 229 of my dropshipping journey. Let's get into this week's recap. A lot of things have went down. Main brand, more ad account issues, fix the ad account issues, and I'm launching a new store, but more on that later. So stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm going to go over a little bit more information about the new store, my plan for it, the niche, and so main brand. I'm testing new creatives. I locked in with a Facebook assets provider. He also has a Facebook agency service, which is a done-for-you Facebook system with all the assets, a bulletproof setup, which you don't have to worry about warming up the profiles, doing all that stuff, because it took a lot of time out of my day and it wasn't bringing in the return that I wanted to. The agency that I was working with, they're not as good. I don't want to talk down on the agency. I think they do a really good job, but for me, I don't think it's the right move to go. So I'm gonna ask them for a refund of my $1,000 deposit that I gave them. Hopefully they'll give me the refund. My relationship with them has been really good and they have been really helpful, so I don't see a reason why they would want to scam me. But that's it on that end. The first ad account with the new guy got disabled. He gave me a new one right away. He has a free replacement policy. When anything goes down, he just replaces it. So he gave me the second ad account and I have been running on it ever since. It's working well, knock on wood. Launched a batch of creatives with the new UGC that I got. Didn't receive the best results from the market. It didn't resonate too well. There are some videos that are performing well, and I decided to improve upon those, and I have just launched some more creatives today. So I probably tested like 15 creatives so far on this new ad account. The first day that I launched, the CPMs were through the roof, like $60, but day over day, ever since Tuesday, they have been going down. Started at like 60, went down to 50, and today, whenever I checked, it was at like 36 CPM. So it takes some time to warm up, so I'm not too worried about it. And I had a talk with my mentor this week, and I was also telling him, like, I launched these creatives and I have to wait for the CPMs to go down, for the account to warm up, and there's not really too much for me to do about this brand aside from researching creatives and making creatives, and I can't really sit there all day making ads and researching creatives. I would also want to do something else. So he told me that I should start up another store on the side to purely focus on making money in the short term, getting in some of that cash flow, since I was at a $4,000 per day and then everything went to zero, and now I'm not really making any money waiting for and testing new creatives for the main brand. So in the meantime, I'm starting up a new store. More on that in a little bit. So with the main brand, testing creatives, ad account issues are fixed. Knock on wood again. You get to a point where you just get so stressed out and anxious about anything you do in the ad account. So I have to knock on wood every single time. So for the main brand, that's how things are going. Just testing a whole bunch of creatives, finding things that resonate well with it. The reason why I don't want to necessarily abandon this product is, if you've seen my other video, this product has already generated $120,000 in revenue. It's crazy to say because I'm only on month 9 of dropshipping right now, but I know that this product works. There's a big competitor that I'm 100% confident that I can outcompete, and my mentor told me that as well. My website looks better. It's all about the creative game right now. So that is the update on the main brand. Things are starting to look better. The metrics within the ad account are improving. Now, going on to the new store. I have launched a new store and I'm also facing Facebook ad account issues, so let's start from the beginning. The store is clothing, so I'm going to test a whole bunch of women's clothing for fall and the upcoming seasons. Pretty much just a lot of product testing. From what I know about women's fashion, is the product is pretty much the most important thing. You can test a lot of creatives, obviously, but if the product is not good and your creatives are not performing well, then it's most likely a product issue. So this is pretty much going to be a volume game. I plan on testing hopefully a product a day within this store. eventually when I set up my website and I already have all the templates and everything ready, it's not hard to throw up a product and test it within a day. Just new product listing, new product page, and make the creatives. I'm still, for this brand, until something takes off, I'm still going to be using ripped content. And yeah, I launched the first product, got a new ad account from the same guy. I don't want to launch two brands in the same ad account. I don't think that's good, especially the fact that, some stuff might get rejected, and I don't want that to bleed into the performance of my other creatives. So I have like 26 creatives for this first product. I launched it on the brand new ad account. It got disabled. I'm pretty sure it's due to the fact that it's a fresh ad account. I launched a lot of creatives. If a lot of creatives get rejected at once on a freshly new ad account, then that is grounds for Facebook to think that, oh, this person is doing something illegitimate. Let's disable the account. So got that account disabled yesterday. My plug replaced it right away. Got a new one today. Yet last night I launched some more creatives. I didn't launch 26 at once. I only launched 5 and decided that I'm just gonna launch 5 a day. So launched 5, they didn't do well. CPMs were like over $100. So creatives were bad, or the product is bad. But then I still have a lot of creatives, so I wanted to test them. Posted 5 new today, and the ad account got disabled again. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. These are some of the most compliant ads that I have ever ran on Facebook. So I don't know the issue, but I'm sure that I'm going to figure it out here today. I just messaged a guy. I might hop on a call with him so he can go through and see if I'm doing something wrong. But in the meantime, just going to put out this video, lock in with my plug, and get that store, make sure that it's running and it's ready for me to test a whole bunch of products. So that's how things are going. The main brand is slowly picking back up. The sales are coming in, like here, a couple here and there, but it's not anything how it used to be, that $1,000 days yet. I'm planning to change that this upcoming week. I think this upcoming week I'll be able to get back to $1,000 per day easily, because the new creatives are performing, metrics are improving. I don't see a reason why $1,000 won't be possible in the next upcoming week. And that is pretty much it. Also launching the new store. The goal for the new store is to hit $1,000 a day consistently, 300 a day in profit, to have like a little 10K per month income from this store. Obviously, I'm not just gonna pocket everything. Probably gonna keep some money within the business and then have some spending money as well. So that's how things are going. This is how the update is going. I am really motivated. Q4 is right around the corner, so I want to make sure that both of these stores are dialed in before the end of this month. And this kind of bleeds into also some troubles with discipline that I've been having, and I think this is a repeated topic over the past couple months. But at the end of the day, I think I have been struggling with the reward and punishment system. I don't think I have been a good boss to myself. And I also talked, my dad actually pointed this out. I was talking to him and he's like, you're just not maybe punishing and rewarding yourself for, let's say, waking up late, or there should be a reward system for sure. So starting today, I have a bad monitor right now. So in my case, if I do everything that I set out to do every single day without fail for 30 days, I will treat myself to a new monitor and a new iPhone. So that is just a little bit of a insight into my personal struggles with discipline. I mean, I'm still in the gym every single day. I think just waking up early and doing my routines. I don't have a crazy morning routine, 30 minutes, just do a little bit of push-ups, a little bit of stretching, some little bit of journaling as well, just some normal stuff. But that's pretty much it. I also do want to start blessing the channel with more content. I think that this past 2 months I've been putting out a video a week, average of one video per week. I want to change that. So in the upcoming days, I'm going to try to focus on putting out one video every single weekday, and then maybe tying in my weekly update and doing that on Friday rather than Saturday. So that's pretty much the update. Stay tuned for new videos. Telegram, I'm gonna make a group chat Telegram that's connected to the channel on Monday, is gonna launch. So make sure you're in the Telegram channel. A bunch of yaps will get a group chat going so we can all connect and have a place where we can chat. So tap in with me on Instagram, follow me, and DM me the word Telegram if you want to join. Be one of the first people to join. So yeah, that's the update. Have a wonderful week. Peace.